Hello, my name is Nate Schneider and I'm an instructor behind the course Predictive Analytics and Modeling in Life Insurance. I personally am a data scientist and quantitative researcher, and I hold a master's degree in Tilburg University in the Netherlands in quantitative finance and actuarial science. And I also graduated with the topic of mortality modeling. And before that I also studied financial mathematics. After that I worked in several positions, mostly in Zalando, which was a big fashion e-commerce store in Europe, SingularityNet as AI researcher, and several other startups. And I've been also a consultant for several of them, also in insurance company Triglav, which is more famous in Slovenia. I'm focused on predictive modeling and machine learning using complex statistical and mathematical methods. And this course is actually focused on life insurance applications of predictive modeling and also other mathematical approaches with which you can predict some useful things out of the data that you have in the insurance industry. And the outline of this course is in the first chapter, first a little bit about life insurance, where it's used, and here you slowly get a feeling of why we even need to do predictive modeling there and why it's used and what are the problems. In the second chapter you will get some ideas about what made this topic particularly popular in recent years and why a lot of new knowledge has been acquired around this topic. It's mostly because of the growing data and how to utilize this data and what is already being done in insurance industry. Then once we know a little bit how insurance companies are already assessing this data, we'll go about how to build our own predictive model or any model that we want to build. And it's firstly about data management. Once we have the data, how to make sure that it's good data, that it's really representative, and that we will get some very useful outlooks out of it. In the fourth chapter we will start building predictive models, and those models are there are many different models, but there are some machine learning and some traditional predictive models that are used mostly in insurance industry. And of course there are also some newer models there assessed, which are not yet that popular but are gaining traction in insurance industry as well. Further on we're going to mortality models and other insurance applications, and those insurance applications are meant to be as term conversions, retention, lifetime value and other. And in the end we'll go a bit over what to do with the results in our analysis, the ethics and legal limitations. We'll not go too much into detail about that because this is not a legal course, but as a modeler you have to know what to do with the data and have to be aware of what kind of legal limitations you have when handling some user data, which are usually used in insurance applications as well.